Sonic Coin. Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Crypto's Cobra, where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies. Today we're looking at Sonic Coin, or Sonic also known as, and we're going to break down its recent technical performance. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the current market trends for Sonic Coin. As of January 2025 or 8th of January, Sonic Coin is trading at approximately 91 cents, which is a staggering increase of over 4,000% in the last 24 hours. The kind of volatility is something we don't see often, indicating either a massive event or a speculative frenzy. Starting with the 15-minute chart, we see a dramatic upward movement from around 0.021 to over $1.30, followed by a sharp correction to the current price of 92 cents. This pattern suggests a parabolic surge and then a pullback. Key support here seems to be around 60 cents, where the price found some stability. Resistance is likely at the peak of $1.30, with psychological resistance at around $1. The 1 hour chart, the trend mirror this with a massive spike, and the price action here suggests buying momentum might be waning after such a rapid increase. We got support forming around 90 cents, where the price is currently consolidating, and resistance still at the high of $1.30. Looking at the 4 hour chart, we confirm this volatility. The price has skyrocketed from a low of 0.021 to over $1.30, indicating a strong bullish trend before the correction. Support seems to be 90 cents and the resistance at $1.30 remains significant. The daily chart gives us a broader perspective. We can see a recent surge is quite unusual, suggesting there was likely a significant event or news driving the price action. The 1 hour chart, the MA5 is at $27 million, is above the MA10, still showing a short-term bullishness. The RSI is at 38, which is a neutral, slightly oversold. The MACD is at 0.02269, supports the idea of a short-term bearishness. Wasn't 100% there yet. Volume is crucial here. During the price surge, we saw a significant increase in volume, validating the movement. However, the volume dropped during the correction, which might indicate less conviction in the price drop. Using the Fibonacci retracement from the peak $1.30 to the low at 0.021, we find key level. If the price drops further, watch for levels at 50% at 66 cents and 38.2 at 50 cents. For the short term, over the next 1 to 2 weeks, we might see consolidation around 90 cents to $1. If the bullish sentiment returns, we could retest $1.30. However, if it turns bearish, watch for a drop below 60 cents. Long term, over the 1 to 3 months, the trajectory depends on the sustainability of the events causing this surge. If it's based on solid fundamentals, there's potential for growth. If it's speculative, expect continued volatility. For trading opportunities, consider entering the current level if you're looking for a bounce, or wait for a dip to 60 cents for a safer entry. Set your stop loss below 60 cents to manage risk. For taking profit, aim for the resistance at $1.30. In the short term, consider holding the project's fundamentals, support long-term growth. Remember, trading cryptocurrencies like Sonic Coin involves high risk, especially with this level of volatility. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you check that out. Pet meme coin video. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment your thoughts below what you think about Sonic Coin. I will also have a link to the actual CoinMarketCap listing where you can check it out yourself. And most importantly, comment your thoughts. I will love to hear your thoughts on Sonic Coin or other cryptocurrencies in the description. Have a great day and take care.